Hi guys, there are 3 new rides here now. This is the electric ride. We're in the Haymarket Centre in Leicester. We're trying to get the chat made.
Go on, have a go. Children using this ride.
We'll get the previews first.
Parent or guardian. Good afternoon.
That looks like me.
It's Saturday, 1:49
p.m. Wrong.
Would the genie like to sit in this one?
Yes.
There you go, genie. Are we ready?
Ready when you are.
Genie, are you ready to ride?
I'm ready. Oh, Minions is going off. Yeah, Minions is going off with the chat mode.
Let's try.
Select price.
You've got magic fingers.
I'll
you seem
try.
to be able to do it.
Please present your card or mobile phone authorizing.
Here we go.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
More power. I'll do the screen.
You enjoying that, genie? Wow, that's cool.
It's like Mario Kart.
You turn the wheel.
The Minions next. As you know, the Peppa Pig rocket ride replaced PJ Masks.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
What, here?
Yeah.
Ah.
I didn't know that. Did you? It has the slot car race.
Do the buttons do anything? Oh, baby.
Power boost. This is the booster button.
Hope to see you again soon. Have a nice day.
Yay.
And that was the video options, Scan Electric, Rallycon Kiddie Ride by Northern Leisure, sited in the Haymarket Centre in Leicester. Next up is Minions.
Right, do you want to pause that one then? Stop that video and we'll do a new one.